This is my Glock 27. There's many like it, but this one is mine. I'm going to show you how to install a new barrel, a new trigger and trigger block, and a safety pin lock. First we check, make sure weapon is unloaded. There's nothing here. Release, dry fire, safe direction. You're ready to dismantle. Release, remove your slide. Remove the recoil spring. You got your barrel, comes out. Okay, we're going to remove the side back plate. There is under pressure, under tension, so we have to release the pressure. Take the side plate out, put it on the side. Your trigger pin assembly comes out, firing pin assembly comes out. Your plunger comes out. Your safety pin, pull it out, push down, should release the ejector. Take your safety pin out, put it aside. Okay, we're installing a new safety pin. Put it in, put your ejector inside, depress it, should lock in there in place. It's locked in place. Fire pin in, your plunger, make sure it's right way. Plunger, depress, you need to depress, give it back pressure in order to put the back plate on. Using a Glock tool, 3/32. When it goes in, it should snap in. You're already in there. Install your new barrel. And your recoil spring needs to go into, there's 2 slots, into the bottom slot. And this is ready. Put it aside. Now we have to take out the trigger assembly. You have 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. Move your pins. Top pin. Put it aside. Bottom pin, release the slide barrel. This you need to move in order to remove it. In order to find once you find it, you're able to take it out, pull it out completely. Okay, side release comes out. Now remove the back trigger assembly pin. Comes out, put it aside. Your locking block comes out. Put it aside. Your whole trigger assembly now comes out by pulling it out. This is your trigger assembly. This is the trigger and trigger bar. In order to remove the trigger bar, you need to pull back sideways. It's attached to a spring. Remove it from the spring. Okay, put it aside. Got a new one that's already polished, smoothed, and replaces. You got your connector here. Bar, this is your 3.5 pound connector for your trigger. Install the same way. Pull back inside. You're ready to install it in your block. Slide in. Should snap in. In order for your trigger, you can pull back, okay, and it should be in. We replace the back pin Make sure equal parts on both sides. Okay. Now you're going to put in your locking bar. You're going to put in your top pin. Should all go in nice and easy. Should not be too much with the tools. Now you put in your slide lock back in the same way. Okay, now you have to find a little hole on the bottom. Try to align it in order to go through. Once it's through, line it equal on both sides. Okay, you're set. You got everything here. Your receiver is done. Now all you have to do, put in your slide. Okay. Sorry. Having problem with the recoil spring. Okay, you ready? Pull the trigger. Release. In order to check it, hold your trigger down, pull it back. You should hear a click. And that's your release. Trigger. Your Glock is ready. Shoot, try it again. Pull the trigger, pull back, release. You should hear the click. Pull the trigger. Your Glock is ready to fire. Put your magazine, and that's it. Thank you.